Hey everyone, it's Donald. I hope you guys are all having a great day. So, we are moving to some text message and phone support. So, I'm not going to leave the phone on all the time, but I do want to make sure people have the number if they're not able to get a hold of us on email. Admin at fixmyfd.com is still going to be the best. However, 907 538 5298. You can always text us that on that number, or you can always give us a call. As I said, it's not always going to be on when I'm off, not doing Fix My FD stuff. I'm going to turn that phone off, and then we'll turn it back on. We'll try keeping up with all the messages and text messages and phone calls and all that other stuff. The goal is to spend at least 4 to 5 hours a day trying to help people with support. Okay, so we'll see how much phone calls and texts we get now that we've added a phone number, because we already get quite a few emails. But I know some people are not email like people at all, so we are trying to give another option. All you guys that have been purchasing Mylar bags and hoses and everything else, we appreciate all the support that you guys have done. I just shipped a whole bunch of stuff through FedEx today. So in fact, I think there was an order that was like done today. I got it there in time, and it says it will be delivered tomorrow morning. So that would be almost 1 day shipping. Can't promise that by far, but it was pretty exciting to see. As of right now, the tracking says it will be there tomorrow. So if you guys need anything at all, I did include to some of the orders, actually every order that went out today, a sample of our Mylar bags, so you guys can kind of see what is being what we are selling, and you guys can see the high quality compared to maybe what you guys have been purchasing in the past. So thank you again for the support. We look forward to supporting you guys with the phone support and text message support. So please do your part in helping us try helping you with issues, though. So obviously we need to know what your vacuum test was. So 30 minutes of freeze, 30 minutes of vacuum. What's that getting down to, right? That will help us out with some stuff. Is your chamber getting full with ice? And that's front to back, or are you only seeing it 3/4 or maybe a halfway full? Those will help guide us into some issues that we might be seeing. Also, somebody today I talked to had a pump problem, and really what we saw, or what I believe their pump problem really is, because they say they have ice front to back, is for some reason Harvest Right gave them a big honking hose that was 3/4 of an inch. So they bought it a couple of years ago, but that I know of, Harvest Right wasn't shipping out. They did it at one point, then they shrunk the hose down, and then I have seen some newer machines get the bigger, wider hoses. I don't know why they're doing that, because they stopped it for a reason a while back, and there was a lot of moisture getting into the pump. And we've been lucky not to see those issues with the hoses we sell, but we also try fixing all the issues at one time. So we try making sure that the freeze is going good, the good vacuum, and then also a good hose. So I think that's they probably had multiple issues going on, and I think that 3/4 of an inch brought a ton of moisture to that vacuum pump and caused issues. So just be worried about that. Kind of make sure you guys are taking your time. I know our hoses are a little more expensive than what a lot of people want to spend, but we've taken the time to make sure they're high quality and making sure that you guys are getting what you guys truly need. So yeah, that being said, I hope you guys all have a great week. We look forward, as I said, to helping you guys out with text message support and some phone support. Please understand, it is a one-man kind of show. Angel, my wife, is doing the best she can to help out, making sure orders are done and everything. She will try helping when I'm at work, answering, making sure you guys are getting the right maybe YouTube video that we have, or making sure I make another video if we're missing something. So, but thank you again, and we hope you guys take care. Have a great rest of your week.